After logging into the WordPress control panel, you will see many options. First, there is the post. You can add a new post by clicking on Add New Post. Next is the page. Then there is the appearance. There are themes in appearance. To add new themes, click on Add New Theme. From here, you must select Popular. After that, you will see many popular themes here. Astra is the best among free themes. There is no better free theme than Astra. You must install Astra on your website. After installing Astra, uninstall additional themes to maintain server load speed. Next is Settings. The first of the settings is General. From the site title, if you want to change the name of the website, you can change it. Some keywords should be given as search descriptions in the tagline. Select the time zone of your target country. Next is Reading. Here you must select a static page. In the case of the home page, select Home. You can select the blog on the post page. Next are the permalinks. Here you must select the post name, because it is SEO rich. Next is Privacy. All websites should have a privacy policy page. From here, you can select the privacy policy page of the website. Then click on Use this page. Next are the plugins. Uninstall the extra plugins to keep the site loading speed right. For this, first select the plugins you want to uninstall. Select Deactivate from Bulk Actions, then click on Apply. Then select again. Select Delete from Bulk Actions, then click on Apply. Click on Add New Plugin to install the new plugin. I have created a list of important WordPress plugins. Its Google Docs link will be given in the description box. You can see if you want. Elementor Website Builder. This plugin will be useful for creating websites. Starter Templates. This plugin is installed when applying a template to a website. Lightspeed Cache. This plugin will be useful to increase the load speed of the website. You can install WP Fastest Cache if you want, but Lightspeed Cache works much better. The Rank Math SEO. This plugin will be useful for article SEO. Next, the Rank Math plugin needs to be set up. Select Google from here. Click on Activate Now. Select Advanced. Click on Skip. Select the type of your website. Click on Save and Continue. Click on Connect Google Services. After that, search Google Search Console in the computer browser. After that, go to search.google.com website. Click on Start Now. Here you will see that the Rank Math plugin has automatically submitted our website to the Google Search Console. Then you will see the website URL here. Click on Save and Continue. Click on Save and Continue again. Save and Continue. Click on Set Up Advanced Options. Open Role Manager from here. After that, you can customize it yourself. Click on Save and Continue. Turn on 404 monitors. Turn on redirections. Click on Save and Continue. Save and continue. After that, click on General Settings. Select it as a separator character. After that, there are redirections. Here, default 404 is selected, and select Redirect to Homepage. Next is the sitemap settings. Copy the sitemap from here. Then go to Google Search Console. Click on Sitemaps, then paste it here. Domain name is given, so clearing it. After that, click on Submit. Then click on Posts. Copy the post's sitemap. After that, click on Submit. Then click on Pages. Copy the page's sitemap. Click on Submit. Here we submit 3 sitemaps. Next is instant indexing. There is a complete video on instant indexing. You can watch it if you want. Contact Form 7 plugin, useful for creating a Contact Us page. Easy Table of Contents plugin, useful for an automatic table of contents in blog posts. The Site Kit by Google plugin will be useful for analytics and showing AdSense ads on the website. Next is Users. If you want to add a new admin or author to the website, click on Add New User. Then select something from the username, email, name, password, and role, and click on Add New User. Now you have to edit the title and search description of the website. Click on Edit for this. You must install the Rank Math plugin. Click on the Rank Math plugin option. After that, click on Edit Snippet. You can follow popular websites to edit titles and descriptions. The title should be between 55 to 60 characters. The description should be between 130 and 140 characters. Detailed SEO extension must be added to the browser to view it. If you search Google by writing Detailed SEO extension, you will find this plugin. Now, I will create a website search description with ChatGPT. For this, I have written, create a website search description within 140 characters using the following words. In inverted commas, I put some keywords on the topic that I create content on the website. After pasting, click on Send Message. After that, measure characters with word counters. The description should be between 130 and 140 characters. It is of 136 characters. This is fine for the search description on our website. Copy it. After that, paste it in the description box. After that is the title. To create the right title, first give the name of the website, then give the separator, and finally, give a few keywords on the topic that you create content on the website. Try to keep the title between 55 and 60 characters. Click on Update when everything is given. Now if you open Detailed SEO extension, you can see it. From any browser on any computer, if you type /wp-admin at the end of the domain name and enter, the website login page will appear. As a result, many people can try to log into the website by writing /wp-admin at the end of the domain name, and can hack sensitive information by logging in. Here you can hide the website login page if you want. That is, if you enter /wp-admin at the end of the domain name, the website login page will not appear. If you enter a special name or number at the end of the domain name, the login page will appear on the website. For that, we need to install a new plugin, WPS Hide Login. After installing the plugin, click on its settings. After coming down, you will see WPS Hide Login plugin settings. First is the login URL. Next is the redirection URL. Give a special name or number instead of login. At the end of the domain name, enter that special name or number, and the login page will appear on the website. You must use lowercase letters here. Enter vacay.net/TECUQ, and the login page will appear on the website. After that, click on Save. Now you can see that if you enter /WP admin at the end of the domain name, the website login page will not appear. The reason for coming to the homepage is that I turned on the redirect to homepage setting by excluding the default 404 of the Math SEO plugin. Enter vacay.net/TECUQ, and the login page will appear. Why redirect to homepage except default 404 here? You will understand this by going to the General Settings option of the Math SEO plugin. Redirect to homepage is enabled instead of default 404 in redirections. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like. Thanks to everyone for staying until the end.